Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set always on display in Realme Note 15. So for this, all we have to do just go to setting and search for always on display. So as you see, we don't have any option on here and we don't have default always on display, but we can enable it by using third-party application. So I am telling you the application. All you guys have to do just go to Play Store and search for always on display. I already searched here. So then this one, remember the icon, this one, I suggest you this application. This is basically a free application, and then after that install this application. Okay, after installing, open the application and click here. After clicking here, just make sure to allow the permission to this application and then go back. So as you see, this window appeared. It's mean we are in the application right now, and just we have option of AOD here. It's mean always on display. Click here and we have a lot of always on display options. Select any one of them. I am selecting this one. After that, click on apply. Okay. After clicking apply, just go back and we have option of setting. Go to setting and click on always on display. Make sure to turn brightness to 100 level, and that's it. Now time to check. So as you see, always on display is now working 100% accurately with a third party application. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.